Equatorial forest. Location. The equatorial forest regions, as the name indicates, are found near the equator between 0 degree and 10 degree north and south of the equator. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and remains hot and wet all throughout the year. If you look at a map carefully, you will be able to see that it is spread over parts of three continents: Asia, Africa, and South America. In South America, the countries located in this region are Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. The rainforest covers the entire Jhar Basin and the Guinea coast in West Africa. South Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, parts of India and Australia are also situated in this zone. Climate. The climate of the equatorial regions is hot and humid throughout the year. The duration of day and night is equal. The humidity is very high because of the high rate of evaporation from large rivers, ponds, seas, and transpiration from plants. Rainfall is a very heavy Rainfall is heavy throughout the year with an average between 250 and 350 centimeters annually. Rainfall is accompanied with thunderstorms. That is typical in the equatorial belt. There is only one season here, which is not hot and humid without any winter or spring. Plant life. Since the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is a luxuriant growth of natural vegetation. The equatorial region is an evergreen region as all the trees remain green and do not shed their leaves at the same time. The trees grow in different heights, forming several layers. The trees of this region also have broad leaves and thick branches, forming a canopy at the top. Mosses and lichen grow on the damp trunk branches of the trees inside the forest. The equatorial forests are very useful. Ebony, mahogany, etc. provide raw material from many industries. This forest also comprise creepers, orchids, lianes, and tall trees. They release oxygen and a lot of moisture into the air, which form thick clouds and result in heavy precipitation. In fact, that is why they are also rainforests. Wildlife. They are called rainforest. Wildlife. Animal life is the equatorial region is found in abundance. There are an immense number There are an immense number and variety of insects, for example, butterflies, mosquitoes, spiders, etc. Animals like gorillas, chimpanzees, wild pigs, and okapi okapis are found in this region. The famous anaconda snake is also an inhabitant of the Amazon basin of South America. Gorillas are found in West Africa. Big animals such as jaguars, crocodiles, and elephants are also found in this region. There are as well a large variety of monkeys and colorful birds. Human life. The equatorial region is one of the most thickly populated parts of the world. Some areas such as the Amazon basin, the Jr basin and many large islands islands of Indonesia and the Philippines have extremely sparse population due to dark, dense and damp forest. Bantu tribes are found in the Jr basin. The, the Indonesian island of Sumatra is populated by the Javas and the Kubus. The Indonesian island of is Sumatra is populated by the Javas and the Kubus. Agriculture. Some people in this region practice shifting cultivation. Crops like maize, rice, and cassava grown after clearing a patch of forest for 2 and 3 years. After some time, when the fertility of land diminishes, the people move to a new area. Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is widely practiced in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, West Africa, and Central America. Plantation agriculture specializes in the production of a particular crop. Through this method, crops are grown on a large scale for commercial purposes. The crops grown in this plantation include tea, coffee, rubber, and cocoa. Now I know. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and lies on both sides of the equator. The climate of the equatorial regions is hot throughout the year, and the duration of days and nights is equal. A large variety of plants are found in the equatorial region. Trees in equatorial forest grow in several layers. The tribes found in this dense forest practice food gathering, hunting, and shifting agriculture.